to configure the Smarther with Netatmo thermostat using the Home Plus Control app. After Home Plus Control has been downloaded, launch it and log in. When the app is first launched, it prompts you to add a device. The thermostat is at the end of the list of available devices. Let's start the configuration. Here you can choose between starting a new installation or accessing a thermostat that's already installed. You can manage an existing Smarther with Netatmo thermostat as long as an active user goes to the Guest Management section and adds you. You will receive an email to accept the invitation. Let's continue with the configuration. The app asks to activate a temporary Wi-Fi between a smartphone and the thermostat. To activate it, press and hold the button on the upper right side of the thermostat until the letters AP appear. Confirm the Wi-Fi icon is flashing blue. If you have already added other devices within the app, you can select an existing location, otherwise you can create a new one. Now the app asks you to scan the QR code. The QR code can be found on the protective film that covers the screen of the device. If you no longer have it, you can also find the code on the back of the thermostat. You can remove the thermostat from the wall using a flat screwdriver in the slot at the bottom of the device. Here's the HomeKit QR code. To refit the thermostat, hook on the top of the device and then push down at the bottom. Let's continue and read the QR code. Place it in front of the camera until it's recognized. The QR code acts as a security key which allows the device to access the home network. It's not necessary to enter the Wi-Fi password. As soon as Smarther with Netatmo is recognized, the AP screen will disappear and the thermostat will show the measured temperature. The smartphone will now connect with the thermostat. This may take a while. The thermostat is now configured and has been added to the list of devices managed by the app. Choose a name for the thermostat. This is the name you'll use with virtual assistants. Here you can add some favorite functions of the thermostat. These are the default scenes. They can be modified at a later date. This step is required by iOS. Press End to continue. Now the app connects to the thermostat. The setup is almost complete. Next, select which room the thermostat is in. If the room is already set up within the app, it can be selected. Otherwise, a new one can be created. Choose a name for the Smarther with Netatmo in this room, and setup is complete. Let's try some functions. For example, we can activate the boost for 30 minutes. All the other functions managed by the app, such as how to set weekly programs, the away function, consumption monitoring, and association with Netatmo smart radiator valves, will be shown in other videos in this series. Visit our YouTube channel to find out more.